Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I am back here in West Virginia with our yearly tradition of the steam station. Now, as you probably know, and if you don't know, I like to visit this location about once a year. I believe this is the 5th year in a row that I've done it, and every year I try to bring something new to it, whether it's new history or new equipment. So this time, I'm actually doing this GoPro edition shot on the GoPro Hero 9. With the media mod that is taking in my voice, along with the light mod on top, which won't really be super helpful here, but it might help a little bit. And also in wide angle mode, and my first ever 5K video. Now sadly it is limited to 5K 30, but that's still pretty interesting. Now before we go in and look at the steam station itself, let's take a look at this. That's just kind of burnt out here. I don't know what this is. My best guess is maybe an old oven of some sort. But I really don't know. It's kind of weird how every time I come here, there's something just like burnt in this area. Normally it's for like a bonfire, but not this. So yeah, anyway, let's go to the steam station itself. As you can see, it is still very green here. So there's a lot of vegetation. But that doesn't matter because the steam station itself is always easy to access. So, we're going to walk in the entrance here. Now, if you do want a lot more of the history of this place, check out my previous videos. But right now, I'm just going to kind of go through it again. Another weird piece of equipment here I don't think was here last time. Same with this over here, which this looks like an old ice chest. Maybe that was the inside of it. Sorry if my finger's in the shot. I'm doing my best to hold this. So we're gonna go check out the basement with the hole in it. So, oh, there's a whole couch down here now. It's kind of wild that this place changes so much every time I'm here. It does seem like people are dumping a lot of their trash in here. Into the hole especially. Oh, I have a giant chunk of glass in my shoe. So, let's see what's here. Nothing in this corner, which is a bit surprising. Sorry, I gotta pause for a second. There's a giant shard of glass in my shoe. And I'm lucky it didn't go all the way through. But there we go. Now let me take a look back here, see if there's anything back here. And there's not. So let's go into the actual basement. Lots more broken glass, as you can see. I think these couch cushions were here last time. I honestly think that couch may have been here last time, but it was outside. So of course here is the front entrance, more or less. Let's go ahead and go back out here. Try to avoid any glass this time. But you really can't. This place has really been trashed since the last time I was here. Now let's go up the stairs. So, up here pretty much looks the same. Obviously some new graffiti. Some silver metallic graffiti, which is pretty cool looking. And we do have a little string tied around that, which is new. And then of course we have the side exit that goes down to the river where the old locks would have been. Right now it's very overgrown. We have the fireplace and the windows. So everything in this area pretty much looks the same except for new graffiti. Someone did graffiti the hole, which is nice, so no one will fall into it, hopefully. You know, I don't think I ever noticed that there were electric lights in here. Or if I did, I forgot about them. And again, more silver graffiti. I can't even read what it says. The bottom part looks like it says leave, but maybe not because it looks like 2 V's instead of an A. And then now we're gonna head up to the second floor where we'll finish our tour. And oh, I think the metal was still in here the last time I was here, so that's definitely not a good change. Let's take a look at the room in wide angle glory. And then we are in the top floor now. You can see the roof is getting much worse. It's really bad, honestly. Now luckily, the structure is actual concrete and it's sound, but the roof getting bad is not great. You can see over here too, starting to fall in there. We still have the little drop-off area, and you can see my car out there. And of course we still have the big drum in here. Goes all the way up. But man, this roof just looks really bad. It's a lot worse than the last time I came here. So anyway, that is this year's exploration of the steam station. I know I didn't really give any history or anything of it. If you want to see that, please check out the earlier videos. I believe it's the 2020 video. I pretty much go into full detail. Or either 2020 or 2021, I go into full detail about the history with everything I know. This is just kind of a walkthrough with the new GoPro camera and also with 5K video. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps a lot. And I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.